Welcome back to the channel, where we turn small spaces into smart, stress-free living. If your cozy apartment feels cluttered and cleaning is eating up your free time, don't worry, you're exactly where you need to be. Today, we're uncovering powerful, space-saving cleaning gadgets that make scrubbing, vacuuming, and organizing faster, easier, and way more satisfying. No bulky machines, no complicated setups, just smart tools designed to make tiny living feel effortless. You'll find links to every product we mention in the description below. Stick around, because by the end of this video, your cleaning routine might never be the same. Studio Microphone product number 1. Q20 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Q20 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is designed to do everything for you. And yes, it even empties itself. With its upgraded bagless self-emptying system, you get up to 45 days of hands-free cleaning while saving money on replacement bags. It delivers powerful 6,000 Pascal suction that easily picks up pet hair, dust, crumbs, and even kitty litter from hard floors and low-pile carpets, with 3 adjustable suction levels for light or deep cleaning. The smart LiDAR navigation scans your home 360 degrees to create accurate maps, avoid obstacles, and clean efficiently without missing spots. It's a true 4-in-1 system that vacuums, sweeps, mops, and self-empties, helping you cut cleaning time in half. With up to 150 minutes of runtime, auto recharge and resume, plus full control through the app or Alexa. Product number 2. Disposable Toilet Brush and Holder Set. This disposable toilet brush and holder set comes with an extended 18-inch handle and 18 disposable refill pads, so you use a fresh cleaning head every single time. No more dirty, bacteria-filled brushes sitting in the corner. The innovative linked lid design automatically flips open as you pull out the handle, keeping your hands clean and mess-free. The upgraded fragrance-free cleaning pads contain a self-soluble cleaning agent that deeply cleans toilet bowls, edges, and hard-to-reach corners without falling apart. Even better, the sleek wall-mounted holder keeps everything off the floor, saving space and making your bathroom look cleaner and more organized. Product number 3. Mamison Reusable. Mamison Reusable Waterproof Rubber Gloves are a simple but powerful upgrade for your home. Made from high-quality soft latex, they're stain-resistant, odor-free, and gentle on the skin, perfect even for those who are sensitive or allergic to harsh detergents. These gloves fully protect your hands while washing dishes that aren't dishwasher safe, so you can clean comfortably without worrying about damage to your skin. The practical non-slip design features textured granules on the palms and fingers, giving you a stronger grip and better control when handling wet plates, glassware, or cleaning tools. With a 13.7-inch length and snug cuffs, they prevent water from slipping inside, keeping your hands completely dry. Each pack includes 2 pairs, so you can separate them for kitchen use, bathroom cleaning, car washing, or even pet care. Waterproof Cleaning Gloves. Product number 4. Handheld Steam Cleaner, 16-piece set. If you want powerful deep cleaning without using harsh chemicals, this handheld steam cleaner is a total game changer. It features a large 500 milliliters tank with a recommended fill of 350 to 400 milliliters, heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes, and delivers high-pressure steam at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes of continuous cleaning power. That means stubborn grease, bathroom grime, grout dirt, and even car stains don't stand a chance. It comes with a complete 16-piece accessory kit, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, windows, floors, car interiors, furniture, and even clothing. The best part? It's completely chemical-free, using only the natural power of steam, making it safe for homes with kids, pets, or anyone sensitive to strong cleaners. Product number 6. Vitaver 69-inch Professional Window Squeegee Cleaner Tool. The Vitaver 69-inch Professional Window Squeegee Kit is designed to make window cleaning faster, safer, and streak-free. This 2-in-1 cleaning system comes with 3 interchangeable head options, a 10-inch silicone squeegee blade, a chenille scrubber, and a microfiber scrubber, plus a rotating attachment that helps you clean at different angles with ease. The detachable extension pole reaches up to 69 inches, giving you long-reach power for high windows, balcony glass, or even outdoor surfaces, and it's made from durable iron so it won't bend like standard aluminum poles. Prefer handheld cleaning? Just detach the pole and use the head separately. The stainless steel squeegee is rust-proof and sturdy, and the tight-fit silicone blade helps remove water without leaving streaks behind. The super-absorbent scrubbers lift dirt, dust, and grime effortlessly, and they're machine washable for easy reuse. Product number 7. Idaho Swivel Window Squeegee Cleaning Kit. The Idaho Swivel Window Squeegee is designed to make glass cleaning effortless and precise. With its smart swivel head, you can simply press the button to adjust the angle, making it perfect for odd-shaped windows, curved edges, shower doors, mirrors, car windshields, and even solar panels. This all-in-one kit includes a 12-inch natural rubber squeegee for streak-free, squeak-free results, and two 11-inch super-absorbent microfiber scrubber pads that easily lift dirt and grime. The 53-inch stainless steel extension pole comes in 3 adjustable sections, giving you the flexibility to clean both low and high windows indoors or outdoors without needing a ladder. Product number 8, 5-in-1 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. This 5-in-1 dog grooming vacuum kit is designed to keep the mess under control while giving your pet a professional grooming experience at home. With powerful 11,000 Pascal suction, it captures up to 99.99% of loose hair directly into the large 2.5-liter dust cup, so nothing spreads around your house. The kit includes an electric dog clipper with 4 guide combs for different hair lengths, a grooming brush for shedding, plus cleaning tools for picking up hair from furniture and clothes. It features 3 adjustable suction levels and operates at under 65 decibels, making it quiet and comfortable even for sensitive pets. The extended hose keeps the machine at a distance so your dog feels relaxed during grooming. Product number 9. Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber. The Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber is here to make cleaning faster, easier, and completely stress-free. This cordless power cleaning brush features 2 adjustable speeds, 300 revolutions per minute for light cleaning and 500 revolutions per minute for tough stains, giving you the power you need for everything from soap scum to stubborn grout. The retractable handle extends from 14 inches up to 53.5 inches, so you can clean floors, bathtubs, tiles, and high corners without bending or straining your back. It comes with 8 interchangeable brush heads designed for bathrooms, kitchens, sinks, grout lines, car wheels, windows, and more, making it a true all-in-one home cleaning tool. The upgraded battery display shows exactly how much power you have left, and with fast Type-C charging and a 3000 mAh battery, you get up to 90 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. Product number 10. JOMOP Mop and Bucket Set. The JOMOP Flat Mop and Bucket System is an all-in-one cleaning solution designed to make mopping faster, cleaner, and completely mess-free. The bucket features 2 separate chambers, one for washing and one for drying, with built-in scraper blades that remove dirt, hair, and excess water, so your mop comes out perfectly damp without dripping. Just insert and pull, and the bucket does the hard work for you. The 360-degree rotating flat mop head easily reaches corners, walls, and under furniture, while the adjustable stainless steel handle extends up to 50 inches for comfortable cleaning without bending. It includes a highly absorbent microfiber pad that works for both wet and dry cleaning on hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl floors, and even windows. Product number 11. Spaver Vacuum Beard Trimmer. The Spaver Vacuum Beard Trimmer is designed to keep your grooming routine clean and mess-free. Thanks to its built-in super suction vacuum system, it captures trimmed hair directly into an internal compartment, so you can say goodbye to scattered hair on your counter and floor. This trimmer comes with 2 adjustable combs and offers up to 20 different length settings using an easy precision dial, giving you complete control over your beard, mustache, sideburns, or clean stubble look. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades deliver a smooth, precise cut while minimizing nicks and irritation for maximum comfort. It's also IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it for both wet and dry shaving and rinse it easily underwater. Powered by dual motors, it provides over 90 minutes of cordless runtime on a single charge and can be conveniently charged via USB. Product number 12. Kenmore DU4080 Featherlight Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum. The Kenmore DU4080 Featherlight weighs under 12 pounds, making it easy to carry around your entire home without feeling heavy or bulky. But don't let the lightweight design fool you. Its dual-motor system delivers strong suction for deep cleaning carpets, bare floors, and everything in between. Thanks to lift-up technology, you can quickly detach the pod to clean stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas with ease. The completely sealed air path combined with a HEPA filtration system traps 99.97% of dust and particles as small as 0.3 microns, helping keep the air in your home cleaner and healthier. With a 9-foot extended hose, swivel steering, and bright LED headlights to spot hidden dirt, cleaning around furniture and tight corners becomes effortless. Product number 13. OKP Life Robot Vacuum L6 Aqua. This OKP Life Robot Vacuum L6 Aqua. This smart robot vacuum combines powerful 6,000 Pascal suction, dual-sided brushes, and a water tank mop to remove dust, lint, and debris from hard floors and carpets with ease. Its slim 3.7-inch design allows it to reach under sofas, beds, and tight spaces that regular vacuums can't touch. Equipped with a large 450 milliliters dustbin and 200 milliliters water tank, it handles deep cleaning without interruptions, while the robot automatically recharges and resumes cleaning, covering up to 1,937 square feet in a single session. Advanced LiDAR navigation and a 190 degrees front obstacle sensor let it map your home and plan efficient routes, avoiding collisions or getting stuck. Control it via Wi-Fi, app, Alexa, voice commands, or the button, and choose from 4 cleaning modes: spot, edge, zigzag, or manual, to suit your needs. Product number 14. Rubber Broom with Squeegee for Pet Hair. The Rubber Broom with Squeegee is designed to make cleaning fast, easy, and efficient. Its rubber bristles act like a magnet, pulling hair, dirt, and fur off carpets, hardwood, tile, or any surface. Simply pull back for maximum cleaning power without tiring your arms. This 2-in-1 tool also features a built-in squeegee edge to wipe up water or liquid spills on windows, showers, and windshields, making it versatile for any mess. The extra-long 57-inch handle is adjustable, offering comfortable use for people of all heights, while the broom head is easy to rinse and keep clean. Product number 15. Yokata 18-inch Heavy-Duty Push Broom. The Yokata 18-inch Push Broom. Its wide broom head covers large areas quickly, while stiff, durable bristles sweep away dirt, dust, leaves, and debris from patios, garages, driveways, decks, concrete, and tile floors. The adjustable iron pole extends from 50.8 inches up to 65.3 inches, letting you clean comfortably without bending your back. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the angled handle and broom head reduce effort while improving reach and efficiency. Built for long-lasting use, the broom features a protective jacket on the handle for a secure, comfortable grip and extra durability. Product number 16. 4-in-1 Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful 4-in-1 handheld car vacuum cleaner. With 20,000 pascals of strong suction, it effortlessly cleans car seats, carpets, and hard-to-reach nooks, picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair in seconds. Completely wireless and rechargeable via Type-C, it gives you total freedom to clean anywhere without cord restrictions. This versatile vacuum doesn't stop at suction. It also blows, inflates, and brushes, coming with 12 essential tools to tackle every mess from dust to flat tires. Lightweight at just 1.5 pounds, it's portable enough to fit in your glove box or trunk, ready to handle car interiors, office desks, kitchen spills, and more. Product number 17. Kenmore KS1010 Deep Clean and Revitalize Pet Carpet Spot Cleaner Formula. Say goodbye to stubborn pet stains, odors, and messes with the Kenmore KS1010 Carpet Spot Cleaner Formula. This powerful 64-ounce solution is specially formulated to deep clean carpets, rugs, and upholstery, leaving surfaces fresh and revitalized. Safe for pets and family, it effectively tackles everyday messes while maintaining a healthy home environment. Compatible with both full-size carpet cleaners and portable spot cleaners, it delivers professional-level results right at home. Whether you're dealing with accidental spills or long-term pet stains, this formula is your go-to solution for restoring carpets and upholstery to their clean, fresh-smelling best. Product number 18. Nugo Steam Mop for Hardwood and Multi-Surface Floors. Designed to tackle hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, and even carpeted floors with ease. Its powerful 1200W steam system heats up in just 20 seconds, reaching 230 degrees Fahrenheit to penetrate dirt, grease, and grime using only water. No harsh chemicals needed. Adjustable steam modes let you tailor the intensity for delicate floors, daily cleaning, or tough stains, while the gentle steam ensures your hardwood, laminate, or vinyl stays safe and streak-free. The removable 15.2-ounce water tank allows longer cleaning sessions without constant refills, and the mop pads are washable for repeated use. With an adjustable height handle, comfortable grip, and lightweight design, you can clean every corner without bending or straining your back. Product number 19. Chemical Guys Sticky Icky Car Cleaning Gel. Keep your car, home, and office spotless with the Chemical Guys Sticky Icky Car Cleaning Gel. This flexible, reusable gel molds into tight spaces to lift dust, crumbs, and dirt from air vents, cup holders, buttons, keyboards, and other hard-to-reach areas without leaving any residue. Infused with a fresh green apple scent, it makes cleaning enjoyable while removing buildup from plastic, rubber, metal, and glass surfaces safely. Simply press the gel into crevices, let it grip the debris, and peel it away to reveal a spotless surface. Each pack includes 4 100g jars, so you can keep one in your car, home, office, or garage for quick dust removal anytime. Product number 20. Black Stain Remover Gel for Home and Appliances. Designed for washers, kitchens, bathrooms, and more. Its powerful formula works on almost any surface, from kitchen sinks and countertops to bathroom tiles, grout, shower doors, and even rubber seals on front-loading washing machines and refrigerators. The gel clings to vertical or sloped surfaces, penetrating deep into stains to break them down effectively while providing long-lasting protection. Easy to use, simply apply the gel, wait 3 to 5 hours, then rinse or wipe away for a sparkling clean finish. Fast-acting, versatile, and reliable, this stain remover gel tackles 99.99% of stubborn dirt, grime, and black marks, leaving your home surfaces fresh, bright, and spotless every time. Product number 21. Compressed Air Duster 3-Gear Electric Air Blower. A powerful and rechargeable alternative to traditional canned air. With a 100,000 revolutions per minute motor and 3 adjustable airflow gears, it delivers precise blowing power for keyboards, electronics, office desks, car interiors, and even tough-to-reach corners. Equipped with a built-in 7,500 mAh battery and fast Type-C charging, it provides 20 to 40 minutes of continuous operation, while the LED display shows battery life and selected airflow gear for easy control. This eco-friendly, cordless duster comes with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, making it versatile for electronics, inflating items, or even barbecues. Product number 22. Sun Joe SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Delivering 2030 psi of cleaning power and 1.2 GPM water flow, it's perfect for patios, decks, sidewalks, cars, RVs, and home exteriors. The washer comes with 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, for versatile cleaning, from pinpoint jets to wide fans, plus dual 0.9L detergent tanks to switch between cleaning solutions easily. Built to last, it features a 34-inch stainless steel lance, solid brass fittings, and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. PWMA certified and designed with a safety-first GFCI power cord, the Sun Joe SPX 3000 combines power, durability, and convenience, making it the ultimate tool to get your outdoor cleaning done efficiently and effectively. Product number 23. Bissell Crosswave Turbo Wet Dry Vacuum and Mop. Its powerful suction picks up dirt, debris, and pet hair while washing with a cleaning solution, saving you time and effort compared to traditional mops. Safe for tile, sealed wood, laminate, linoleum, rubber mats, and area rugs, it handles multiple surfaces with ease. The innovative 2-tank system keeps clean water and formula separate from dirty water for a more hygienic clean, while the antimicrobial Fresh Start filter helps prevent odors and keeps the filter fresh longer. Perfect for busy homes and pet owners, the Crosswave Turbo delivers fast, thorough, and convenient cleaning every time. Product number 24. Electrolux Ergorapido Cordless 2-in-1 Vacuum Cleaner. Featuring 180 degrees easy steer maneuverability and bright LED nozzle lights, it lets you navigate furniture and illuminate tight, dark spaces for a thorough clean. The detachable hand unit makes quick work of couch cushions, car interiors, and hard-to-reach spots, while the high-suction motorized nozzle lifts fine dust and debris with ease. Brush Roll Clean technology removes hair and fibers from the brush, ensuring consistent performance. Enjoy up to 48 minutes of cordless cleaning with the Turbo Power HD lithium battery, and keep track of power with the LED charge indicator. Lightweight, versatile, and powerful, this vacuum is perfect for fast, efficient, and convenient cleaning anywhere.